For most of the people around the world, India continues to be a land of snake charmers, camels, elephants, hermits, colorful turbans, and women in beautiful saris. But few are aware of the intellectual wealth of this vast and diverse country. From being one of the earliest civilizations in the world to producing famous writers, artists, film producers, economists, and scientists, India is admired for its rich culture, Bollywood industry, and global accomplishments in the field of science and technology. International analysts predict India to become an economic superpower in the next few decades, leaving behind a number of developed countries. India is witnessing an economic boom and its society is quickly adapting a global lifestyle, transitioning from a bullock cart to business class economy. India has become a popular outsourcing destination for business and knowledge processes. Today, India is a top learning destination visited by thousands of students, researchers, professors, and writers each month to explore its cultural and historical wealth, age-old customs, literature, art, architecture, economy, and non-profit work. Now you can also benefit from this opportunity and let IDEX work with you to design a trip that fulfills your purpose, be it purely tourism, volunteering, or an academic focus on different fields of study, ranging from business to humanities. We invite you to take a peek at how you can benefit from our faculty-led programs, especially customized for people who are driven by a passion for inquiry, learning, and enriching experiences. Faculty-led programs usually consist of enriching travel experiences, academic content, educational excursions, volunteering, visits to relevant universities, institutes, or organizations, learning sessions with local experts, insightful workshops to encourage experiential education, and cultural activities. To sum it all, a complete experience for you and your participants. Imagine sitting beside the snake charmer at the Ambir Fort, learning about Indian history, or visiting Dalai Lama's residence in the majestic Himalayan ranges to study about world peace and progress. At IDEX, we begin each program with an intensive orientation session for participants that include topics ranging from Indian culture and politics, developing cultural intelligence, or cross-cultural communication skills, learning about volunteering programs and work challenges, Hindi lessons, and theme-based workshops. And while you enjoy traveling and exploring the diversity of India, IDEX ensures a customized program to suit your interests, your health and safety throughout the trip, program logistics, and academic liaison. With our decade-long experience of serving international groups, we know how to work an economical budget while including interactive learning sessions and cultural workshops. IDEX creates and operates exciting travel programs of the highest quality and value for passionate and curious travelers. We welcome you to work with us to design a travel program that will ensure lifelong memories, learning, and growth for all participants.